Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Android Studio on Windows for Flutter development, full guide step by step clearly. Download the Android Studio installer from the official website. Locate the downloaded file in your system. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup process. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow the installation. Choose the installation type, select Standard for a typical installation. Click Next to proceed with the installation options. Select the Android SDK components you wish to install. It is recommended to keep the default options checked. Click Next to continue. Choose the installation location or accept the default path. Click Next to move forward. Review your choices and click the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, click Finish to exit the installer. Launch Android Studio from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. On the welcome screen, click on Configure at the bottom right corner. Select SDK Manager from the drop-down menu. In the SDK Manager, choose the latest Android SDK version from the list. Make sure to install the necessary SDK tools like Android SDK Build Tools and Android Emulator. Click OK to apply the changes. After that, go back to the welcome screen and select Start a new Android Studio project. Choose Empty Activity and click Next. Name your project and set the package name. Select the appropriate save location and click Finish. Wait for the project to build. Now, install Flutter on your system. Download the Flutter SDK from the official Flutter website. Extract the downloaded Flutter archive to a location on your drive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.